Hi scholars, today's lesson is all about measurement, and before we get started with our lesson, I want to go over our objective. Our objective for today is I will be able to measure end to end using non-standard units, and the non-standard units we are going to be using to measure today are beans. You can use any type of bean that you have at home, and paper clips. I have the small paper clips. If you have the bigger paper clips, those work also. I have 3 different items here that I will measure and show you how I will do that. So I have a pen, a fork, and a straw. So I'm going to start with the pen. And I'm going to start with my paper clip. So I'm going to take one paper clip and start that right where my pen starts here. Then I'm going to take another paper clip where the other one ended and start it there. So if you remember, our objective said I will be able to measure end to end. So we are measuring from one end to the other end using our non-standard unit. And I'm just gonna line up the paper clips until I have measured my item. So if you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half. So our pen is 4.5 paper clips long. So on our measurement activity worksheet, where you have item number 1, my item number 1 is a pen, so I will write pen. In the section where it says paper clips, number of paper clips, I will write 4.5, 4.5. And then I'm going to move on to measuring the pen with some beans. So same thing, I'm going to start with one bean where my pen starts, and I'm just going to line them up one at a time. This is a little hard because they are moving, but we will make it work. Uh-oh. Maybe I need to move that over. And I think that is perfect. So let's count our beans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So my pen is 11 beans long. So in the same section where it says pen, on the number of beans in the little box, you're going to write the number there. So I would write 11. So that is my first item. You are going to continue doing that with your items in your house. So for my fork and my straw, I'm only going to show you how to do it with a paper clip since you saw me how to do both, but I just want to show you the difference, okay, in the number of paper clips, or the length, I'm sorry. 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 6. So let's just say that it's 6 because it's past the half mark on the paper clip. So I'm just gonna round it up to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the fork is 6 paper clips long. Here's a little trick. I already have some of these laying down, right? Laid down. So I'm just gonna bring my straw next to those and then just keep adding until I'm done. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I would say 7.5. 7.5 paper clips long is my straw. So I'm going to write all of my measurements down on my activity page so that I do not forget. So you have to pick 5 items around your house, grab some beans and paper clips. If you don't have paper clips, grab something else that you could use, maybe some bobby pins or maybe some stickers, just any type of non-standard unit that you have. If you don't have these, get creative. And then once you are finished with your activity, take a picture of your sheet, of your activity page, and then upload it on ClassDojo. I hope that this was helpful.